Caleb. Woke up at 7 o'clock in the morning. It's really early. We got a long drive ahead of us. I sold my pot borrowed money. We're about to go buy 2 walk-behind zero turns, fix them up and resell them. Then we're going to go buy some knobby tires for the back of the Freedom Wagon and some dual exhaust for the Freedom Wagon. Stay tuned, smash that like button, and subscribe. Hey guys, just got the tires. These things are sick. Stay tuned because we're about to go get the exhaust. We got something sick planned, so stay tuned, smash that like button, and subscribe. Hey guys, Caleb just got the tires on. These things are sick. Thank you to the local tire shop. Really appreciate it for mounting the tires for us. Let's take her for a rip.